Hey guys, welcome to K5PE, exercise challenge number 6. Today's challenge will be a push-up challenge. Let me explain how it's going to work. We'll do 1 minute of push-ups. We're going to do as many as we can in that minute, try to keep our form correct, pound out as many push-ups as humanly possible. Then we'll take 1 minute of break. Then we'll do 30 seconds of push-ups, 30 seconds of break, and finally 15 seconds of push-ups. Remember, we are going for speed, but almost more importantly is the form that you use to get there. I'll explain a couple ways to make modifications along the way in case you get tired. First, our standard push-up form. Eventually you're going to want to get your arms into a 90-degree angle. What I mean is you'll start with your arms straight, and as you lower your body down, you want to try to get a 90-degree angle with your arms, which is a right angle. You don't want to go below that 90 though. You're better off being above the 90 than you are below the 90. Let me show you how it works. You want to keep your body flat and off the ground. I'll show you a modification in a minute, in case you do need to have part of your body on the ground to make it a little easier as you start to get tired, or for some of our younger students who are new to the push-up. So here's the form that you should be using on the standard push-up. Arms are straight, your back is flat, your body is off the ground. Head is looking in front of you. You're going to lower your body down, try to get to that 90-degree angle. Don't let your body touch the ground, and then raise yourself back up. That counts as 1. Down, up, counts as 1. Now, for a simple modification, you can allow your knees to touch the ground, but keep the rest of your body straight. When you do this modification, parts of your body might touch the ground as you go down and then raise up, and that's okay. But don't let your entire body flop onto the ground. Remember, we don't want to go past that 90-degree angle. So let me show you what the modification will look like really quick. You put your knees on the ground and keep the rest of your body straight. You'll lower yourself to the ground and then up. I'm to the point where my chest almost touches the ground, but not quite. And up. In a second, we'll start our challenge. Remember, we'll do 1 minute of push-ups, 1 minute rest, 30 seconds of push-ups, 30-second rest, and 15 seconds of push-ups. We're trying to do as many as we can in that time period. You're going for speed, but you're also wanting to keep your form. You'll notice as I do mine, if I start to get tired, I'll move from the standard push-up into a modified version. If you need to start on the modified version, that's fine. If you can't get your body all the way down to that 90 degrees, where your arms make that right triangle, when your arms make that right angle, that's fine as well. Get yourself as low as you can and still be able to push yourself back up. Most importantly, keep that back flat. So we'll start here in about 15 seconds. 1 minute of push-up, 1 minute of rest, 30 seconds of push-up, 30 seconds of rest, 15 seconds of push-ups. Here we go. On your marks, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to keep that back flat. You notice I've gone into my modified push-up for the last 15 seconds. Knees on the ground. 5 seconds. Stop. I think I got 35. 1 minute of rest, and then we'll go into 30 seconds. It's a good idea to keep some water nearby. That way you can hydrate during our breaks. Try to keep in mind when doing this, you're better off doing 1 or 2 or 3, a low number with the correct form, than you are doing 5 or 10 or 20 with incorrect form. Reason being, when you're doing them incorrectly and you're not using the right form, you're more liable to wind up with an injury. All right, we have about 10 seconds, and then we'll go with our 30-second round. So get yourself in position. On your marks. Get set. Go. 30 seconds. 15 seconds. I'm gonna go into my modified position for my last 10 seconds. Stop. All right. I think I got 18. Now some of those were modified, but it's better to drop down into that modified position than it is to struggle through that last 15 seconds or so and do them incorrectly. Got about 10 seconds of break, then we'll go for our last 15 seconds. I'm gonna see if I can keep the standard push-up form throughout the entire 15 seconds. Here we go. On your marks, get set, go. Stop. I think I got to 8. All right. We made it. That concludes exercise challenge number 6. I'll see you tomorrow for exercise challenge number 7.